So yo, just hold on. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah, and if you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Deborah, like I said. And in today's video, if you are a returning subscriber, sweetie, thank you. In today's video, I am so excited, guys. Like, I'm so excited. I'm going to be dyeing my hair, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it yourself using a temporary hair color. And it is so I don't know, guys. I just want to show you. I received these two beautiful hair dye from Curlfit. So Curlfit gels, temporary hair color. So this is I Can Explain. It's a gold color, and this is Deviant wine color, like a very dark red. So I think in today's video I'm going to be using this color. It's a light gel, and it is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. But if you want a more vibrant color, you can keep on building that up until you get what you want. So it is African parent proof. Sorry. What this means is that you can literally just dye your hair today. If you want to take bomb pictures for Instagram, take your pictures. If you want to go out, come back, rinse it off, and nobody gets to know about it, because it can rinse off in one wash using a shampoo. Like, how cool is that? It is so pigmented, so I read in their description. So it is so pigmented, and we are going to see how pigmented it is in this video. And I also wanted to say that since it's pigmented, a little goes a long way, and the shelf life is 3 years. So once you have it open, you can use it for up to 3 years. That is depending on how often you use it and how much you use. It doesn't contain any chemicals because it is it was formulated with your hair in mind, so it doesn't damage your hair. So I'm just going to take you guys through the steps. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this can be used for natural hair, relaxed hair, your wigs, your weaves, your braids, your locks, literally anything hair, whatever you want to use it on, it's perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to go right into it. I am so excited. My hair is black right now. Natural hair color. Oh yeah, I'm going to be dividing my hair into 4 sections, you know, the regular, 2 in front, 2 at the back, so that way it's easier for me to work with. So I'm going to remove my hair from this puff right here, and yeah, we'll start dyeing our hair. So you want to section your hair into 4. 4 is better to work with, but I think I'm going to keep on sectioning as I go on. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. So we are done with that. I have my hair in 4 sections, and so they say we are supposed to apply on clean hair. Very advised to make sure you are doing this on clean hair, because any residual oils that might be present can lead to color transfer. And so these products are already made with some natural oils, avocado oil, seed oil, castor oil. So having so much oil would lead to color transfer, and you can decide to do this on dry hair or 90% dry hair. So like just a little bit of moisture would be fine. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. I want to do this part first, so let me just take that out. spray bottle with my water. So I'm just going to be using this to spray my hair. So they said to use a leave-in conditioner if you have a leave-in conditioner, but if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, that's fine. You can just go right in. It's not a very necessary step. I mean, you can do without it. So it's just for the leave-in conditioner, it's just going to be for added moisture. So if you don't have a leave-in conditioner, you can still use this gel. Especially for guys, I know some guys would not, they don't even have conditioner, so they just go right into putting the product on their hair. So you might want to skip this step if you don't have a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, and also please don't forget, if you are using any leave-in conditioner, make sure that it is not oil based. Remember, we don't want so much oil in our hair. Goes a long way. It is so pigmented. Can you see? So it like a gel. I'm not fast forwarding or anything. This is how it runs. It's not very runny, so I mean it has a good consistency. So we are going right in. I don't think I want to go right into my roots because I want it to have like an ombre effect. This is a nice smell. To use the whole bottle. It is so pigmented. So this is how much I have used. Yo, I'm in love. If you are someone who really likes to carry out their afro, girl, you need to switch things up. Like this, perfect. So I like what I see. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put this in a bun. I am switching things up. I'm not exactly someone who likes to wear her afro out, but come on, like I can't let this go. Like I just have to embrace what I'm seeing, embrace what I'm getting from this. We have come to the end of this tutorial. I put some lashes on. This is a product you would want to purchase because it offers value, and my hair really doesn't feel so dry. My hair feels moisturized. I'll also leave a link to the website where you can purchase this product in the description box, so please do well to visit the link. And also you can use my code, which is DEMARA, to get 5% discount when you're purchasing. Subscribe, please subscribe. It's like right here somewhere. Don't forget to comment if you are feeling this look, because I am. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.